Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance, where it's not just about finance, also about your mental health and wellness. While chasing after money and wealth, you also need to make sure your health is top notch. So today we're going to compare two mental health and wellness apps, and they are Liven App and Moodfit. Both of them aim to boost your well-being, but they take different approaches. Let's find out which one is right for you. Let's start with their main focus. Liven App focuses on AI-powered daily mental health support, while Moodfit focuses on comprehensive mental fitness toolkit. When we look at ease of use, Liven App uses a chat-based AI wellness coach, while Moodfit uses app dashboard with tracking and exercises. When we look at their key strengths, Liven App has personalized mood check-ins, stress tips, and instant support, while Moodfit has mood tracking, CBT-backed exercise, habits, and goal tracking. When we look at the price, Liven App has a free plan plus affordable premium plan, while Moodfit has a free basic plan plus premium subscription. Then, when we look at who or what they are best for, Liven App is best for quick conversational support, while Moodfit is best for users wanting structured self-improvement. Let's look at the output style. What do we expect? Liven App give out AI charts and real-time guidance, while Moodfit has charts, exercises, and data-driven insight. So in conclusion, Liven App is like having an AI body in your pocket, checking in daily, tracking your mood, and giving your hand stress relief, and giving instant stress relief suggestions. Moodfit, on the other hand, is more of a mental fitness toolkit with mood tracking, cognitive behavior therapy, CBT exercises, and habit building features to improve your well-being over time. So if you want daily AI-driven support and quick check-ins, just go to Liven App and download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. But if you prefer a structured long-term approach to building mental fitness, then Moodfit is the smarter choice. Which one of you would choose? Which one would you choose? Liven App or Moodfit? Let us know in the comment section.